This store is called Silverton Minerals and Gifts. What was that? She went to the same store, right? She's in that other one.
I can find her.
Hurricane Pass, Silverton. These train scenes. Laser cut.
If I can help anybody, just let me know.
Thank you.
How are you folks this morning?
Doing great. Beautiful day for the moment. I guess we're gonna get rain in a little while.
Yeah, mid-afternoon.
Weather changes on a dime up here, huh?
No, they've been calling for rain. It's the monsoon season.
Ah, well, I saw the big story on the news about the flood
Yeah,
up north.
Yeah,
Pretty bad.
yeah. And the bad part about it is it's just in the burn areas
Yeah,
that there's nothing holding the ground.
yeah, it just becomes a gully washer there, right?
What's up, Liddy?
You see these petrified shark teeth here?
Better. What?
You see all these fossils, Sasha? Amethyst. There's that cellulite geodes.
Yeah. No, rain medicine, maybe.
Look at those.
Doesn't matter. You've been injured and a doctor prescribes it. There's a difference between your doctor and pain medicine. If a doctor prescribes it, it's different. If you were injured, then you can have it. It ain't like food.
Look at this.
Huh? What is?
You like the shiny rocks, huh? Get some fool's gold. Petrified wood. You know, when I came up here when I was a kid, I found a lot of these rocks just laying around. So when we go jeeping, Sasha, when we get out of the jeep and walk around, look down because you might find stuff. Mines of Silverton Railroad.